Hello, welcome to today's video. We're going to be doing a vision board together. A lot of you guys said that you want us to do it together. I asked in my last vlog, so that's what we're going to do. Because I haven't done a vision board in a very long time. Like, I don't know, I just get really lazy about it. And I'm so excited. I finally just picked up all the materials that I needed. And I was like, you know what? We're gonna film it and we're gonna do it together. Creating a vision board is super easy. You don't need a lot of stuff. One thing I recommend you get is a poster board. It can be way smaller than this also. This is just the one that I found at Target. It was only $1. You can even cut it in half if you wanna make a smaller one. But you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and take advantage of all of this space. Get some magazines so you can cut stuff out of. So I got Glamour and Women's Health. If you don't wanna get magazines, you can even just look up some inspirational things that really speak to you on Pinterest or anywhere online and print that out. Some tape. I don't have regular tape, so I'm going to be using packing tape, but you can also get some glue if you have it. And then this camera is so that I can take a photo of myself. This is a Polaroid camera, so it's going to come out right away. You don't need the Polaroid camera at all, but I really want to put a photo of myself in the middle of the vision board, and I cannot find a photo of myself. I'm going to be using this to take a photo of myself. That way it's going to print out immediately and I don't have to go somewhere and print a photo of myself. And that's all you're going to need. Oh, and scissors so you can cut everything out. For me, the purpose of a vision board is to help you visualize the things that you want. Sometimes we just have all these things in our head that we want to accomplish. But when you lay it out in front of you and you really like put photos to it and words that remind you every single day, it helps you so much to visualize, like, okay, this is where I am now, but this is where I want to be, and these are the things that I want. I like to use it more of like short-term goals, like not something that I want to accomplish in 10 years, but something that I want to accomplish either in the next couple weeks or months or this season or within the next year, but not like just super far away. Because I feel like with a vision board, Maxie joined us. I feel like with a vision board, it's really great to make a new one every few months or every season or every year. That way you really focus on getting these accomplished before you move on to further goals. I'm gonna start flipping through the magazines and seeing what photos catch my attention and what words catch my attention that also align with the goals that I have in place. And I have my goals written out, so I'm just gonna use it as reference to make sure, like, if anything stands out that's one of my goals, I'm gonna cut it out. So why don't you go ahead and flip through your magazines or through the photos that you found online and start cutting it out. And we're back. I went to the store. I got an HGTV magazine because I felt like I needed a home magazine to really finish up my vision board, because I got the body stuff, I got the health stuff, I got the fashion career stuff, and now I need the home stuff. Alright guys, so all of the photos that I want to use for my vision board, they're all cut out, and then I also decided to take additional photos of myself to kind of put them in the centers of the different categories that I want to put in my vision board. So what I'm going to do right now is just take everything off the vision board and play around with the layout and see where I want to place everything. I feel like this helps a lot more for me personally to lay everything out the way I want it to look, as opposed to just taking some tape and taping things wherever they go. I want it to be very organized. That just helps me out. So if you just want to do it your own way and just stick things as you go one by one, go ahead, it's your vision board. But I'm gonna do it a little bit more organized because I feel like that helps me out a little more. finished laying my entire vision board out. I'm gonna show you really quick before I tape it all down. But I love this because I'm getting to see exactly how it's gonna look without having to commit to it in case I wanna move things around. And now I'm kind of glad that I don't have regular tape and I have this, because I'm just gonna literally like tape over everything instead of putting tape behind the papers, which is what I feel like I would usually do in the past. But instead I'm just gonna literally just tape over everything. Here we have it, the final vision board. Sorry, the lighting is a little bit off. It's getting a little bit dark in the day now. But in the center of my vision board, I wanted to make sure to have a photo of myself. I made it 4 because I felt like it looked a little bit more fun, especially since these Polaroids are so tiny. In the center of it all, everything you want to accomplish, all the goals you want to reach, that's you. You're in the center of everything. So this is what I wanted to keep in mind. And then we kind of go in sections, but everything for me kind of blends together. These are all the things that make up who I am. I also wanted to make sure I had a big love in the center, because in the different categories, fitness, career, personal, home, I want to do everything with love. I want to be excited about everything, and I want to love everything. I want to love the career choices I'm making. I want to love where I live. I want to love fitness. It all goes together. So I'll start off over here. This is kind of like my home space. I really like modern spaces like I have here, bright spaces. This kind of reminds me to take a vacation. Again, like more bright, modern pieces. Money to have the dream home that I want, little playful colors and decorative pieces that I would like. And I want to reach a lot of my goals this February in 2018. It's good to be specific on what you want. And then this pink door is not for the home, but actually I just want a lot of opportunities to open up for me. I want to always be happy. I want to reach all of my fitness goals. I want to have a flat stomach. I want to make sure I keep eating healthy and keep eating plant-based. I want to lose weight. I want to continue doing yoga, be healthy and strong. I want 100,000 subscribers. That's one of my goals for this year as well. And these are some of the brands that I would personally like to work with. My goals are pretty specific. I know I'm being a little bit broad right now, but I just like to keep that a little bit more personal. I just give you guys an overview of what I have in mind for myself for the next few months. But I love doing this vision board with you guys. I usually make small ones, but I'm kind of glad that I had the big poster board and I made it really big. That way I see it every day. You're reminded of the things that you're working towards, and it just gives you a boost if you're ever feeling down or if you're ever losing track of what it is you're working towards. I love how big this vision board is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that you guys make your own vision board. Please tag me on social, like tag me on IG or on Twitter. Send me photos of the vision boards that you create. I would love to see it. I love creative things like this because everyone takes their own approach and makes it their own. So please let me know if you make one of your own, because I really want to see them. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.